Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a bokeh effect to a video on CapCut. So here I've already imported a video, and to add a bokeh effect, it's just actually pretty simple. You can just go to effect first, video effects, and go to basic and find the blur effect. Say this one's right here, click on that, and here you can adjust the blur. For example, I'm going to just use on 20, around 20, like this, and then go back, click on the check icon, and then adjust the blur until the end of the video, for example like that. And next, go back and add the original video as an overlay. Click on add overlay and find the original video and add it as overlay. Okay, this one, click on add and adjust the position so that it fits the original video like this, and then go to cut out and remove the background on the overlay. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so the background has been removed, and now you can have a video with a bokeh effect on it. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment and subscribe. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.